Hey, what's up guys? How are you guys doing today? Today we are gonna be restoring some Jordan 11 bearings, and they aren't pretty beat. They might need a cleaning and some Sole Bright, but that's about it. So we'll get to it. So here we go. Actually had got them in a replacement box, but here they are. See, not too beat. This a little faded, and the bottoms aren't too yellow. So let's get to it. So first things first, we're gonna grab our Rejuvenator solution. We're gonna put 2 squirts in there. Now what we're gonna do is grab one of the Rejuvenator sneaker wipes, and I'm gonna wipe it down just to get a little bit of that dirt that comes off easily and make the shoe shine a little bit more. Alright, so let's get to it and start removing the laces. Okay, so now that we got that done, we're gonna start with the medium brush and clean the midsole. Okay, there you go. Now we can move on to the bottom of the soles, where it's all dirty and grimy. So now that the shoe's all cleaned up, we can move on to the next step, which would be putting a little bit of the Angelus Sole Bright on the bottom, wrapping these up and putting them out in the sun for a little while. You don't want to put them out for too long, because if you do, the sole right here starts separating, and then you get separation, and then you're gonna have to go an extra step and re-glue it. Well, take them out, shave off the old glue, and then re-glue them, and it's a whole nother process for that. So what you're gonna want to do is put a little bit on the soles and then put them out for the sun for like 45 minutes to an hour, and then check back on them. All right, so that's what we're gonna do. You remember we were about to finish icing these up. They are pretty icy, and now we're gonna lace them up and take some pictures. We got the Jordan 11s done, and that was it for this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one.